What is happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're looking at cleaning these AirPods. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. As you could see here, this is very dirty. This AirPods is horrible. Look at that. There's so much junk on it. I work in construction, and these AirPods have seen better days for sure. And I've seen a lot of online ways on how to clean AirPods. And today we're going to try some of it, and hopefully this will clean out our AirPods. So let's pull out some cleaning tools here. What I have here is a fork. And the other thing is electric tape. I also brought some paper towel / tissue and this whatever how you want to say that, ear cleaning device here. So we're gonna use all this, and hopefully we'll be able to make our AirPods spanking clean. So the first thing you want to do is take these off. We're gonna focus more on the buds for now. And what you want to do is examine the device and see where we can clean. So those needs to be clean, that hole, maybe these as well. This is not bad, but I will give it a clean. According to the Apple device or Apple website, you're not allowed to use any water. Apparently the AirPods are not water resistant or something like that. But I've had this in the washer before and it survived, so it's not that bad. As you could see there, all those needs to be cleaned out. So what we want to do is take a piece of tape here. There we go. And just dab it in there, just like that. And then you will then pick it with one of these or use the fork. I'm going to use one of these instead and just get through the corners just like that. No, that didn't really do anything. So now let's try the paper towel method. One of these guys, dab it on there and do the exact same thing as I did earlier. It's still there. As you could see here, it's very tough to get down there. Maybe let's try another method. One of the screwdrivers with this very small tip. Just gently go in there and tackle that small spot. There we go. It's starting to come off now. It's getting there. Let's see if the tape will work this time. Oh, look at that. Tape actually works. By the way, I've had this AirPod since the beginning when it was released, and it was never cleaned once. So as you could see, this been on many beating. Let's go through those spots right here. As you could see here, it just builds up. Don't get it bad, just like how I have it here. Clean it like in a few months rather than years. It's like going to a dentist, right? You don't want to be going there every 3 years. You want to go at least twice a year. So that's good for now. Let's try out the other one. Hopefully I can clean these out. You could see there, it's a lot better now. Let's try cleaning this side now. There we go. Now let's see if this can come off. This is gonna be tough, but let's try it out. Best part about having AirPods is the magnets, where all the metals and shavings and other crap usually wants to stay there and get caught. It's a bit better now. Let's try another method. Maybe one of these will help. It's a bit better now, but it's not brand new clean. Tried many methods here, but maybe next time I'll invest on some putty, and that will be able to hopefully take out all the junk. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Comment below what I could improve on, and see you guys next time. Peace out.